Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a horizontal video vertical in DaVinci Resolve with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Go to the Edit page. Right-click on your timeline at the bottom and select Timeline Settings. Change the timeline resolution to 1080x 1920-916 vertical and click Save. Now import your horizontal video and drag it to the timeline. Select the video clip. Go to the Inspector panel on the right. Under Transform, change the rotation to 90 or 90 degrees to make it vertical. If needed, adjust the zoom or position so the video fits nicely in the frame without getting cut off. You can also add a background or blur effect behind the video if you want. Once everything looks good, go to the Deliver page, set your export settings, and render the video. That's it. This is how you can easily convert a horizontal video to vertical in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.